We're just giving out some free water just to spread the message of Hussein. We're showing a bit of values by just giving a bit of water and just spreading the message. My name is Zainab.
Zainab, I'm Judy.
Hi, thank you so much.
Bless you.
Yeah, I'm glad we made your day.
I got a little bit of tea.